Hello, I'm Specialist Zachary Johnson from Bravo Company 703rd BSB, 2nd Armored Brigade Combat Team, 3rd Infantry Division. Today we will be focusing on setting the M88A2 Hercules pack into another M88A2 Hercules. Follow me and we'll show you how it's done. If he keeps coming straight or if he neutral steers, as of now, you can see we mostly have the power pack of the M88A2 set almost completely into the 88. Our next step, as you can see what they're doing now, is removing the final drive caps off of each final drive. These are what rotates the sprocket of the 88 to make it go forward and do whatever you want it to do. After that, we're going to have some hydraulic hoses, fuel hoses, a PTO, which runs the boom, and the crane that operates this whole system. Right now, Specialist Munoz Rodriguez and Specialist Dungan are accomplishing the most difficult part of this task. They are setting the final drives back into the transmission of the 88. After that, they will use RTV or gasket seal to spread onto the saddle caps of the transmission and clamp them together. All right, so right now, what he's doing is applying RTV or gasket seal to the saddles of the final drive. These are the caps that are going to keep everything connected and in one location so that the transmission can operate correctly. Again, this is Specialist Johnson, and that's how you set pack on the M88A2. Signing off. Rocket the morn!
Sydney!